Oh, trash day again? Seems like we did this last week. Uh-oh, the raccoons are back. Oh, wait, that's no raccoon. Oh, what a cute little puppy. And look, no collar. Good thing you already got this pet backpack on you. Aquariums. They're not just for fish anymore. Huh, there's not a lot of legroom, is there? With a backpack like that, he's ready to go into space. Right out of the case, and he's already got muddy paws. Oh, right, you found him in the trash. Well, a nice warm bath should perk things up. Or don't dogs lick themselves clean? No, wait, that's cats. How cute. A dog brush. And it even has a little place to hold your soap. Rub-a-dub-dub. This must be a dog's favorite type of bath. The kind that doesn't use any water. But it works. Good thing. Otherwise, he'd be shaking the water off, and we wouldn't get this tender moment. Wow, he must be clean to be on the furniture clean. And now he gets his own wardrobe, too. A little big, but maybe he'll grow into it. Oh, wow, look at those nails! We need a manicure, stat! Sure, I've seen green nails before, but that was just paint. Why stop at the nails? Let's take care of that fur, too. Of course, the most important part of a beauty routine, canine or otherwise, is keeping clean. Cue the foam. Still, no true day of pampering is ever complete without some form of facial mask.
Ooh.
What else can we do for our day of indulgence? Oh, good idea, some brushing. With a tongue? I repeat, isn't licking yourself clean more of a cat thing, not a dog thing? Or a people thing? At least it seems easy to clean. Ah, now for a massage. Oh, and look, we've got a gadget for that too. First, a nice neck rub, and then just work your way down the back. Does it work on people? Well, I guess you can after all. Though you should probably ask before using it. Time for dinner. Good, because I haven't eaten in like a whole hour. A nice salad. And puppy gets... just some kibble, and even he doesn't look too appetized. Maybe it's all in the presentation. Let's cut along the lines. It's just like coloring. And we want some bend to it, so add some tape. Now everything's got a nice shape. But still, we don't want to show off something that looks like cardboard. Gold-colored paint covers all sins. And so do a bunch of fake jewels. Just don't advertise the fake bit. Man, and all this just to host the dog food bowl. Speaking of which, can we jazz up the food here too? Great! Good boy. Look at him eating. All gone. Guess it's true what they say. You reap what you sow. Wow. I wonder if that dog knows the goose that laid the golden egg. Anyone think they're related? Well, into the drawer. Oh, what's this? Oh, this looks like a collar. Just what our four-legged friend needs. But it needs something extra. Rhinestones are nice and all, but we want something personalized. And a photo will help show ownership. Well, looks like he's on a roll. Literally. He's gonna look so handsome with his new collar. Which means that it's the perfect time for a selfie. Give us a smile. Show us some teeth, but not in a show of dominance sort of way. Any other photo ideas? Let's make a fun border. Now pick a theme. Ah yes, the source of all happiness. Money. Just don't use the real kind. Though by the looks of things, this new owner can probably afford to. Oh, he'll look so handsome in his portrait. Surrounded by money, just like Scrooge McDuck. After all this pampering, it's finally time for our puppy to relax. You better be planning a game of fetch, taking his ball like that. Oh wow, a golden bone! Let's hope it's not real. I mean, you could chip a tooth. Seems like enough fun for today. It's time to get ready for bed. Or instead, time for another craft. With this mold, we can make a bunch of little jewels of different sizes and colors. Put them all together, and we can make a fun mobile, like for a baby crib. Just hang it up and he's fast asleep. Wow, I thought he would need a bedtime story or two. Let's cut back to daytime. Time for a fun dress-up. And don't worry, just because dogs don't normally wear clothes doesn't mean they can't accessorize. Ah, adorable. He doesn't really seem to be a hat dog. Got anything else he'd like? How about hoodies? Well, the light-up buttons have spoken. No, but red is certainly his color. And it looks like he agrees. Just add some chains and some sunglasses, and he'll make Snoop Dogg look like Snoop Cat. Let's see what other outfits he'd like to try. A white tuxedo? Does he look like James Bond? Maybe another color will do. Oh, he seems to prefer the more classic black look. And it certainly seems to suit him. Aw, he's just so cute. What big eyes he's got. Time for another day of fun with your furry friend. What can be better than a puppy? Simple, more than one puppy. And this one's so big, you just want to cuddle him up. And soon, there'll be even more puppies. In the meantime, our blushing bride wants some kibble. And maybe a steak or two. That was bow-wow-tastic! Yeah, I went there. Catch you next time.